In this video, I will show you exactly how to add captions to your videos using Adobe Express, so you can make your content more accessible and engaging for everyone. To get started, make sure you have your project open and your video clip is already on the canvas. First, you need to click directly on the video clip either within your main canvas area or on the timeline track located at the bottom of the screen. Once you have the video selected, you will see a Properties panel appear on the left side of your workspace. Inside this panel, look for a button labeled Auto-Captions. Clicking this button triggers the powerful speech-to-text engine within Adobe Express. A small menu will pop up asking you to choose the language. From the drop-down menu, select the spoken language used in your video clip. This step is very important because it ensures the AI understands the nuances of the speech for maximum accuracy. After you have selected the correct language, simply click the Generate Captions button to begin the process. Adobe Express will now scan the audio and automatically create text overlays synchronized with the speech. You will see the captions appear on your screen shortly. Once they are generated, you can easily customize